kids! Today we are going to learn the letter D. Can you say D?
D.
Wonderful! Look carefully. Big D is written like this, D. And small d is written like this, D. Big D and small d, D and D. D is for dog. A happy dog says woof, woof. Let's all bark together. Do you like dogs? D is also for duck. A yellow duck swims in the water. Quack, quack. Let's flap our arms like little duck wings. Quack, quack. And D is for drum. A big round drum goes boom, boom, boom. Let's play our invisible drums together. Great rhythm! Let's say the words slowly together. Dog, duck, drum. Excellent! Now, trace the letters in the air with your finger. Big D, one line down, then a big curve to the right. One line down, then a big curve to the right. Can you clap 3 times and say D? 1, 2, 3. D. The letter D is delightful. You learned big D, small d, and words like dog, duck, and drum. Next time, we will meet the letter E.
Wow!
Bye-bye, kids.